to eat papaya salad really much. Thai papaya salad is another Thai food to popularity. So today I would like to tell you how to make Thai papaya salad. The ingredients are shredded green papaya, shredded carrots, long bean, peanuts, dry shrimp, lime juice, 3 tomatoes, 5 seeds of fresh chili, 2 whole waves of fresh garlic, sugar, monosodium glutamate, and fish sauce. Equipment to do the following: pestle, mortar, knife, cutting board, plate, tablespoon, spoon, and fork. Okay, let's start the first step. Put the chili, garlic, and sugar in the mortar. Then use the pestle powders. Then add dry shrimp in the mortar. Okay, next step. The second step, put monosodium glutamate, tomato, lime juice, and fish sauce in the mortar. Then until the ingredients together. Then add shredded papaya, shredded carrots, and long bean. Roll until all ingredients mix throughout. Okay, after that, experimental taste. But for me, it was delicious. Okay, finally, serve with and sprinkle with peanuts. Sprinkle with peanuts and serve the vegetable with sticky hot. Okay, thank you for watching me. Bye.